Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Green Kitchen channel. Today, we will be making potato and spinach meatballs. Quick to prepare and delicious, perfect for getting a dose of vegetables without even realizing it. In a blender, we pour 500 grams of pre-cooked spinach, 400 grams of boiled potatoes, both measured after cooking. Add a teaspoon of salt or two if you cooked the spinach and potatoes without salting the water. Add some pepper, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, and a few sprigs of chopped rosemary. Finish with a drizzle of oil and blend everything together. Once done, transfer the mixture into a large bowl and add breadcrumbs. I started with 4 to 5 tablespoons. Then, mix it all together and let it rest for 2 minutes, allowing the breadcrumbs to thicken the mixture. If after 2 minutes you see that the mixture is not thick enough to shape into balls, add more breadcrumbs. Once you have a thick enough mixture, start forming the balls. I recommend doing it with oiled hands to make it easier. Once ready, place them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper and bake them in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 390 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes, flipping them halfway through cooking. Once they're cooked, I served them in 2 versions. The first one, together with a spicy Mexican sauce, is a truly delicious combination. And the second one with vegetable puree. However, you can pair them with sauce, hummus, or whatever you prefer. These meatballs can last up to 3 days in the refrigerator and can be frozen. As always, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I invite you to subscribe to the channel to not miss out on upcoming recipes and also follow the Green Kitchen profile on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you soon in the next video here on the Green Kitchen channel.